I was holding my dog. I was sitting on the stool holding my dog. This was the game plan all through the years, to go in that little bathroom. And the electric never went off because the electric went off in the bathroom about the same time I felt the stool come up out of the floor. And I rolled around a little bit, and when it stopped, I was right there. That presto cooker is what I saw.
You were lying there in the rubble.
And I never lost consciousness, and I hollered for my little dog, and he didn't answer or didn't come, so I know he's in here somewhere.
The dog. The dog.
The dog.
Hi, puppy.
The dog.
Oh, Bessie. Oh, Bessie, bless your little bitty heart. Help me.
Help Megan.
Oh, Bessie. Oh. Come on.
Get him.
Oh. It's gone. Well, I thought God just answered one prayer to let me be okay. He answered both of them. Because this was my second prayer.